Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A60 and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select sounds and vibration, and here you will notice ringtone. So smoothly click on this tab, pick the SIM card for which you would like to change this ringtone, and let me show you all of the ringtones that you can apply. And let me volume it up a bit so you can hear it clearly. And then just pick the one that you like the most, so let me pick Home Command, and then go back, and as you can see the ringtone has been changed and you can smoothly use it. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.